Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I sewed this beautiful turban cap with rose flower on top. If you are interested in knowing how I made this beautiful turban cap, please keep watching. And I will also leave this dress in the description box. When you finish washing the turban cap, you check this out. I'm using Ankara material for this tutorial. The measurement here is 17 inches by 37.5 inches. I just ironed this line because I'm going to be adding elastic on the back. Before I add elastic, I will fold like this. I'm going to use 2 inches to sew on the back. I have 1 inch by 5 inches elastic. I will place the center. This is the center. I will mark the center of elastic. And I will place like this and stretch this way and sew here. And stretch this side this way and sew there. Before I hem, I will also sew this. The measurement here is 6.5 inches by 60 inches. I'm done sewing. I fold into 2. I'm going to be using 23 inches for the hair circumference. So I have 11.5 inches here after folding into 2. This 11.5 inches after folding into 2. I will mark here. I will cut this way. I will bring this way. I will sew before I place gather here, or you can just use the thread and needle to make gather on this part without sewing first. But I will sew first before using thread and needle to make gather on this part. Then this one, what I will do is to bring together like this and sew here. I will do the same on this side, bring this way and sew here and bring the right side out. Then after bringing the right side out, I will sew on the edge like this until this place. This is the one I'm going to sew the flower on. This one is like this. I fold into 2 like this, into 4. So this 2 inches, 2 inches and 2 inches. I'm done. And I'm also done with this. With my thread and needle, I will start to make gather. This one is the center. I'm going to sew like this. Like that. Before I sew it here, I will first use thread and needle to make gather. I'll place like this and sew. I'm not going to draw the gather too tight very light, and so continue like this. Getting to this place, I will raise it up and I will sew on the back like that. Getting to the back here, I will also raise here and I will sew on the back. I'm going to continue like this. When I'm done sewing, I will show you. I'm done sewing. I'll sew on top with thread and needle. I will first fold with pin. After holding with pin, I will start to sew with thread and needle on the edge. I will sew the flower to the cap. I will sew the way the thread will not pronounce outside. This is the final look. As always, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new, you are welcome. Please subscribe and remember the notification bell. Please share this video to everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.